friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In last video I told you that Ishu's birthday is coming up, and for that we have to do a lot of preparations. And that's what I'm going to share in this video. All the preparation and how we celebrated her birthday. We wanted to celebrate Ishu's birthday at home, and that's why we wanted to have a small get together or a birthday party for her. And also Ishu को slides and swinging का बहुत शौक है, and we have a park nearby where she wants to go every time. Because of this COVID situation, we don't want her to go there a lot. That's why we are making a small playground at our backyard, and this is what is supposed to be her birthday gift. In US, everything comes up in a box and then you have to assemble it yourself at home. Even this big playground, it came in a small box, and now we are arranging it or fixing it together so that we can have small playground for her here. So instructions were saying it will take around 4-5 hours, but to be honest, we were not professionals and we don't do it that often. That's why it took a longer time for us. Actually, this took us 3 days. Me, my husband, and his friend was also helping us. At the end, it turned out great, and Ishu liked it a lot. In fact, you can see me swinging there as well, and she was happy and excited with her present. So gift is done, and now it's the cleaning time of the backyard. So बाहर का preparation is all done, cleaning is also done. Little bit cleaning is left, जो कि बाद में करेंगे. And now it's time for internal decoration. So घर की अंदर की decoration start करते हैं. So the thing is, from last few months, my daughter has started asking me to make rainbow cake, and I said कि मैं उसके birthday पे rainbow cake बनाऊंगी. And there comes the idea of the theme of the birthday. So rainbow को ही theme बना लिया मैंने for her birthday celebration, and उसके around ही सारे decorations मैंने order किए online. So I'm going to share the links of all the decorations in the description box in case you guys liked it or you want to order it. In fact, some of the decoration I made it myself at home because I couldn't find it or it was little expensive outside. So that's what I did. I especially like this theme because it was so colorful and it was giving that cheerful feeling during the celebration. And I also like the hanging thing. I hung it multiple places. It had so many colors available in it, and they were looking so beautiful in that decoration. केक एरिया के अलावा we also made another area जहाँ पे हम photos click कर सके. We decorate that part as well जहाँ पे photos बहुत colorful आएंगे and it will match with the theme as well. Now comes the food items. So I've made baked pasta at home, fried idli, and other few items, food items at home for the cake area, cake table actually. So I made strawberry panna cotta, meringue pops, meringue kisses, some Rice Krispies covered in chocolate, some chocolate pretzels. And this is the final look of the cake area where we actually are planning to cut the cake. And here is our cake. So many cake scratch से बनाया था. I just liked some design over the net and I tried to replicate that design. It is plain vanilla cake with American buttercream frosting on the top, and also the decorations it is from the fondant that I made. I'm going to share all the recipes of the food that I've made and also the cake itself. Ishu was very excited after seeing her cake, that sun and the rainbow thing, and she really liked it, and so many butterflies. In fact, मैंने extra बनाए थे flowers and butterflies so that she can eat it. I was planning कि cake की photo with all the food items possible होगी during that cake cutting time, but mostly चीजें खत्म हो चुकी थी, so we are rearranging so that photos में थोड़ा blank ना लगे and खाली खाली ना लगे.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ishu. Happy birthday to
This is how the cake looks from inside. Actually, I try to use one pan to make the rainbow cake. Otherwise, usually 6 pans for 6 different colors हम use करते हैं. But I did not have 6 pans because it was a kids' birthday party. So we wanted to arrange something fun for kids. It was the Easter weekend, so we thought, what is better than a egg hunt? And we arranged an egg hunt in our backyard. एग हंट में प्लास्टिक एग्स के अंदर गुडीज डाल के आप उन्हें हाइड कर देते हो एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस एंड उसके बाद किड्स ट्राई टू फाइंड दोज आउट एंड दे गेट रियली हैप्पी आफ्टर सीइंग डिफरेंट सरप्राइजेस लाइक देयर माइट बी स्टिकर्स, देयर माइट बी कैंडीज, सो दे गेट रियली एक्साइटेड एंड इट इज रियली फन फॉर ऑल एज ग्रुप. स्मॉल किड्स से लेकर बड़े किड्स भी एंजॉय करते हैं, एज यू कैन सी. So they were really happy. We also arranged another on the spot game like just lemon race hota in India. We also arranged similar kind of race here. Instead of lemon, they were using egg, the same egg, and they really enjoyed that time. So it's snacks time now. On snacks में मैंने बनाए थे गोलगप्पे, tater tots, French fries, samosa, pasta, baked pasta actually, fried idli. So this was all available for the snacks. And also खाने में था पाव भाजी, बटर पनीर मसाला, नान, बिरयानी. And we had a very lovely evening. Also, Ishu got so many gifts, especially this scooter. She really loved and she opened it on the same day. And this is the video from the next day when she's enjoying that scooter outside. So this is it for this video, guys, and see you next time.